Hello everyone, my name is Marie and I'm back with
Paul.
And we're gonna talk today about Baemin.
Baemin is a South Korean delivery app which is very well known for its blue cute characters. If you are living out of Seoul or in the countryside, this is most likely going to be the food delivery app of your choice.
Why did you order from Baemin over ordering from other apps?
I think I just like the icon.
Because it has all the cute, like
yeah, it's got a little shovel, like little guy in a little scooter. I like blue and
the interface is also.
It's kind of set up in ways that it's easy to find things. You know, there's like your foreign section, your cafes, your one-person servings, your chicken and pizza.
Right.
So it was just comfortable. And I think the hardest part for most foreigners is getting it set up the first time,
right.
Getting your address inputted, getting your credit card information. And once you do that, it's super easy.
Once it is set up, but actually they made it a lot easier.
Yeah, so I think once you get stuck, you get in a routine of like, this is my app, this is just your app. Yeah, for the most part though, there's enough pictures and there's enough information that even if you just screenshot it, use the Google Translate.
I do that all the time.
Google Schmoogler, exactly.
Google Schmoogler?
Yeah.
While Paul is giving me a more detailed explanation about why he loves Baemin, let me just quickly show you how to set it up. It is very fast and easy to set up Baemin. First of all, go to the Play Store and download Baemin, but make sure you don't install the Vietnamese version, install the Korean version. Once that's installed, open it up, accept terms and conditions, more terms and conditions. And then first thing to do is put in your address. So you have to put in your address in Korean. If you do not know your address in Korean, you can find your location on Kakao Map and copy paste your address. Once your address is set up, that's it. You're ready to start ordering. Search for your favorite restaurant, pick your menu, and there you go.
So we're gonna have chokbal.
Okay.
But we're gonna order a set. So it's gonna come with noodles. And I have everything ready.
Alright. Yeah, so I think if you're logged in, it's a little easier.
I know, but that's a very long process.
I know, but just for the people watching who might
find it easier.
Oh,
okay, so that has been ordered.
Yay.
So we just got our Baemin order, which is also pretty fast. We ordered at what time? 3:15, and it's 30 minutes later. Decent.
Yeah. And then it takes a little bit of like putting together and
it's
cutting the joke from the ball.
Cutting the joke from the ball.
This is like a one-person joke ball, I think. There's only one set of chopsticks. Because one of the things about Korea too, you know, sometimes you get hungry, so you order a big thing of food and they bring like 3 sets of chopsticks.
Yeah, and then you're like, actually I'm eating this by myself.
Yeah, just party alone over here, y'all.
Oh, it's under.
Under. Oh, so this bag is to keep it warm, maybe? I don't know. I've never seen it bag.
Touch.
I think it's
Yeah, it is.
to keep it warm, yeah. So this is, like I know cold bags for ice cream, so this is actually a hot bag.
Alright people, we're gonna enjoy our Bossam, and we hope you enjoyed this Baemin video and you learned something about how to set it up. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and we'll be back with more content soon. Bye!